Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Excel workbook and the PowerPoint presentation together so links resolve immediately. Select the exact cells or chart you want to reuse, then define a named range in Excel. This makes future updates predictable. Once done, save the workbook to a trusted folder so PowerPoint won't block automatic updates. Make sure the values are final for now. You can still edit later, but establishing a named source stops broken references and speeds linking. Now you switch to PowerPoint and paste the content as a linked object. Use Home Paste Special and choose Paste Link for a table or chart. This embeds a live connection. Alternatively, use Insert Object Create from File, select the workbook, and check Link to File. Once placed, resize and position the object. Then configure Update Links to automatic if you want live refresh, or manual if you prefer control. This keeps your slide current with Excel without duplicating data. Finish by saving both files and testing the connection. Use File Info or edit links in PowerPoint to force an update and preview the result. If you need a static snapshot, choose Break Link to embed current values. If the link breaks because the workbook moved, relink by pointing PowerPoint to the new path or restore the named range. One key troubleshooting tip: place the Excel file in a trusted location and ensure both files are accessible. That resolves most broken update problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.